run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life.
Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's GP and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, girl, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so if I want to upload all of my videos. And of course, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to be doing another wig review, wig install. This one is going to be a little bit different because I'm telling you all of the tools and everything that you need to successfully install your wig, okay? Because there's nothing like getting all the tools and stuff together, and now it's 8:30, 9 o'clock, you about to put your wig on, and then you done forgot whatever, like the glue, or you forgot some tweezers to pluck your wig, and now the hair store is closed. Anybody got time for that? Okay, so we got everything listed in the video of everything that you need in order to slay your wig, and I'll also list it down below as well. This video is sponsored by Ayiyi Hair. Shout out to them for providing me with this bomb wig. All of the details and all the links and everything like that for this wig will be down below in the description box, and y'all know I got a discount code for y'all too, so make sure you go check out that description box, girl, because if you want to purchase a wig like this from them, yeah, use that discount code, okay? We need some coins off, okay? Let's get into this video so y'all can see how I slayed this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with another wig review. This wig review is from Ayiyi Hair Company. They sent me this gorgeous unit, girl. So y'all know how I feel about curly wigs in the wintertime. Like, it's meant, they are related, they are soulmates, okay? We got a curly unit from Ayiyi Hair. They sent me this lace front unit. It has the little strap and like on the sides, kind of like to put in the back so it can be snatched on your head. And it has the lace looking real nice. The curls look so good. Everything just looks so nice and full. So this is the wig. It is wet a little bit because I did go ahead and you know, do my bleaching process of the closure and the knots and all that stuff. So there's that. But I also want to show y'all what they sent me along with the wig. So this is their box right here, really pretty with their name on it. They sent me like a little wig care kit. So this, like, literally they touched every single base. One thing that I love about hair companies, most of the time when they send you stuff now, a lot of the hair companies, they'll send you an actual like package with your wig. So I love that. So everything that you need for a wig is going to be in this video, and it's also going to be in a lot of these hair packages. So Ayiyi sent me my little wig care kit. So it came with a stocking cap, of course, yes ma'am, okay, period. It came with two. This is just one of them. It also came with this little headband right here. This headband is specifically for when you are gluing down your edges and you need to get that like scalp look. This will help melt that lace and that glue into your scalp so that it can look very much like your hair is growing out of your scalp, okay? So this is one thing that I recommend for everybody. You can get any kind. I have a ton of kinds. I have this one, I have a thicker one, but they're most of the time they're usually silk. But if you don't have a silk one, you can use your regular scarf and just tie it up. And then also what a lot of the girls use is the black paper roll type of thing. You can get it from any beauty supply store, and they'll use that to tie it around their edges as well. But girl, it all works the same. It all works the same, and I feel like these look cuter. And then also when you are going to bed and stuff like that and you got to tie your hair down, I always recommend to use one of these to tie down the lace specifically, and then go on with your bonnet, your silk bonnet or your silk scarf or whatever, and put the rest of the hair up. But at the end of the day, we can fix the hair. It's protecting the edges and the frontal lace like that. That needs to be protected at all costs. So this is definitely something that you need. Next thing that you need, girl, is one of these. This is by far my go-to type of utensil when it comes to doing my hair. So this is a double-sided brush, so it has a comb on one side and an actual brush on the other. So it's a lot easier when you have a tool like this. So shout out to Ayiyi for sending me this. But when you're doing your baby hairs, you know, just boop, 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 get that structured, and then going with the other side and kind of swoop it. You know what I'm saying? So I love having both of these because sometimes I need a comb and sometimes I need a brush. So love that. So if you don't have one of these, definitely get one. Or you can just use a regular comb or a regular brush or a toothbrush. But if you just want to, you know, knock it out, boom, boom, just get one of these. They're like $1 at the hair store, or if you buy it from Ayiyi, you know, you getting one with your package. Okay, so the next thing they sent me is this clip right here. Real cute, real fashionable, real stylish, you know. But when it comes to doing your wig, I do recommend you getting clips, like clips to get the hair out the way, so you can really slick back those, like, you know, the hair, and really get that edge and make it, you know, as seamless as possible and not have any hair in the way. So I love a clip. This is a little bit more stylish. I feel like this is more for styling, but it is a clip, and I do recommend everybody getting clips. Okay, you also need some type of glue. Now, depending on what kind of girl you are, that will determine what type of glue you're gonna get. So if you're a girl like to keep her wig on for, you know, at least a week at the most, you got to get your Ghost Bond, your Erica J, whatever. Any type of glue, you need to get some type of actual glue that holds. But if you are a girl like me, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I change my wigs like every 3 days. And if I plan on leaving it in more than 3 days, then I'll go in with my glue. But girl, if I'm just keeping it in for like 2 to 3 days, or, you know, I go with my Got To Be Glue. Got To Be Glue spray works just as good. It just doesn't last as long. This will probably hold on my hair for about 2 to 3 days. 3 days tops if I'm wrapping it up every single night. You'll also need some scissors, or you'll need some shears or a razor. I have a razor, but honestly the razor just does not work for me. I don't know if it's my razor, but the scissors just do it for me. The scissors do it for me. But I know a lot of people use razors, so whatever works best for you. Another thing that you're gonna need is some mousse or a hot comb, or both. I like to use both. I literally am out of both of them right now. My mousse and my hot comb broke, so I'll just be thugging it, honestly. Like, I'll use one of my curlers is a flat curler, so I can just, you know, do a 1-2 like that. But it's always better, girls, just to have your hot comb and your mousse, because that's what's really going to lay your hair down, girl. And then the 2 products that I like to use just to style my hair and really also give it that, like, fresh out of the salon look and nice and neat, and you know what I mean, like that type of look, is these 2 right here. So this is the ORS Olive Oil Nourishing Sheen Spray, and then the ISO Plus 24-hour hold-in spray. You don't have to get these specific brands. Well, not this one, but if you do get an oil sheen, get this one. But as far as the actual, like, hold-in spray, just to make, like, curls last longer, or if you're doing like a bump or whatever in your wig, that works for that. And the oil sheen is just really good for when you're flat ironing, or if you're hot combing, etc., because it just helps it look better and look more like healthy, you know what I mean, not look dry. You don't want your hair to look dry. Okay, and then also a lot of the other tools I like to use to really perfect my wig is, number 1, you need a tweezer. You need to pluck them baby hairs, them edges, that part, you need to pluck it. Don't walk around here like your wig looking wiggy, okay? Y'all know better. And then, of course, another thing that I like to use to perfect my part is some type of concealer or whatever. And I also use that on my stocking cap and on the inside of my lace on my wig cap. So I like to use some type of concealer to do that, and then also to use the same kind and kind of define my part. You'll see it in the video, but to define my part so that it'll look real nice, girl, okay? And then last but not least is some black like hair mascara, girl. Just get a black mascara, because if you're, you know, like when you're doing your part and stuff like that, and you want to clean up what you concealed for your part, you just go in with your black mascara and kind of make that part look even more chef's kiss. Okay, So yeah, y'all, those are the products that I use to slay my wigs. If there's anything else in the video that I forgot to mention, I will show it, but mostly everything that I showed you is what I use that works for me. And you'll also need a blow dryer, of course, and all of that good stuff, but that's what I use, girl. So shout out to Ayiyi because they sent me most of the products that I do need when it comes to slaying my wig. So shout out to them, shout out to the wig, period. I know it's going to look good. It feels so good, nice and soft. The curls are really nice. So girl, let's get into this. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'll list all the products down below, and maybe some links if I can find some, if y'all need some links on where to buy some of this stuff at. And yeah, y'all,
Run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. Run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. If you wanna run away with me,
Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. This hair looks so good on me, but again, curly hair be looking good on me. I love curly hair on me. I actually did a poll on Instagram to see what y'all think. Curly hair or straight hair, and curly hair won, girl. So yeah, it look cute. I love curly hair. It's so cute. So again, shout out to Ayiyi hair for sending me this unit. It looks so good. I love it. I have a lot of curly wigs, so this one will be in the sale. But y'all know y'all gonna be getting a nice wig, girl. Nice. Oh, it's so cute. Girl, yes. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments what y'all prefer, straight or curly. Y'all know I'm a curly girl, okay? Leave me some comments down below. Like this video. Share it with all your good friends. That was ace. I will see y'all in my next video.